With me here, I have this wireless doorbell camera and wireless doorbell chime. They both do have night vision and run through Wi-Fi. So I want to show you guys how this works. I am super excited. Let's go ahead and open this up. So of course, whenever you open it up, you have the instruction manual. We'll show you how to download the app. You have the mount for the doorbell camera. It does come with all of the screws and stuff necessary, and also some anchors if you do want to really secure it in your wall. And then of course you have the doorbell camera itself. It comes with this protective film on the front. So let's go ahead and peel that off, and wow, that just looks so sleek. And then of course it also comes with a USB charging cord. And like I said earlier, in addition to the camera, it also comes with the Indoor Chime. So I want to show you guys what this wireless doorbell chime looks like. Comes in very similar packaging. You have the instructions and charging cord, and then you have your wireless doorbell chime device that looks like this. Next, we are going to set up the mobile application before installing this outside my front door. So you're just gonna go on the side here, open it up, make sure you do take this backing off with that removal pin, and then you're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. And it will turn on. You will hear the chime and the lights.
If you don't have the app already, you are going to go download the app and have it send you notifications so you can be notified if someone rings your doorbell or is at your door. Go ahead and sign in or create a new account. And once you've done that, you're going to want to add a new device. You can have multiple devices on here if you wish. Like if you have it at multiple doors on your house, go ahead and follow the instructions on the screen, connect it to Bluetooth, and then once you hear the sound and see the light, go ahead and select that button. Your device should pop up on the screen. Now enter your Wi-Fi. You will connect the device to your 2.4 hertz Wi-Fi, and it will run through this checklist quickly. And then next, you are going to be able to name each individual device and also select the location you have it in. Once that signal is strong, it will walk you through setup steps.
Step number 1 is going to be to put this back plate up against the surface that you want. So I already looked at the camera view, and this view is perfect, and you are going to use the provided screws. It took less than a minute to go ahead and screw the mounting plate in. It is in there very sturdy. So next we're going to put on this outer case right here and put in the 2 tiny screws provided to secure that to the mount. And now we have that back and then also the mount on there secure. So finally it is time to put our camera on there. You are just going to click it in like so, and now you are all set. Now anytime someone comes to your front door, they can ring your doorbell and you'll get a notification that says front doorbell person detected. Simple as that.
The image quality on my video was absolutely amazing. I can't imagine how great it would also look with night vision, but here I just called myself, and so you can actually answer it and talk with the person who's at your door if you allow it access to the microphone, which is pretty cool.
To get your chime set up, you're going to want to plug it into a power source and have it plugged in. You're going to press and hold this sync button here at the bottom until the light on top starts flashing. You can see it's solid right now, and now it is flashing. So next step is going to be to press and hold the doorbell for 6 seconds to finalize the pairing mode between the chime and the doorbell. I decided to set my chime up near my kitchen since it is far away from my door. So now anytime someone comes to the door, if I have my phone with me or if I'm home and I can't hear it, I will hear the chime. I am just so excited to use this technology for my front door. And the great thing about this is you don't just have to have it for your front door. You could have it for your back door, for a barn, for a pool house. The possibilities are endless.